Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today as well, I've come to you with a new video. Today, we'll learn how to create passport sized photos in Photoshop. Do you want to easily create passport sized photos at home for a passport or other official documents? If yes, then this channel is for you. In this channel, I'll teach you step by step how to create professional looking passport sized photos using Adobe Photoshop. You won't need to go to an expensive studio. Now you can create your own photos. In our videos, you will learn the following: how to set up a new file in Photoshop, how to crop the photo according to passport size standards, how to remove or change the background of the photo, how to adjust the light and color, how to prepare the photo for printing, and other useful tips and tricks. Now, without any delay, let's move towards the video. Come on, let's now open Photoshop on our computer. Okay, now we will create a new file by pressing Ctrl+N. Now, you can see a dialog box here. We will do a small setup in this dialog box. Paper size 4:6, resolution 300 and mode RGB color. If you want to know about this setup, I've already made a video related to it. You can watch the video shown on the screen. Now, after doing this setup, let's click OK. Now, you can see that a new file has been created, and in this new file, we will create a passport sized photo. Now, first of all, let's take a photo. For that, press Ctrl+O to open the file. Select the photo you want and open it. Now we will remove the red background of this photo and put a blue background. For that, we will now take the magic eraser tool and click on the background to remove the red background. Now you can see that the red background has been completely removed. Now after that, we will put a blue background. For that, first we will come here and create a new layer. Now we have created the layer. Now we will fill the new layer with blue color. For that, go to color and select blue color. Now after doing this much, select the new layer and click the delete button or backspace button on the keyboard. Now we can see that the blue color has been filled. Now we come to the layer and drag the bottom layer to the top layer and place it there. Look, the background of the photo has been changed to blue. Now after that, we will adjust the color and light of the photo. For that, first select the top layer, then press Ctrl+L, and you can make the photo brighter or darker. Now we will make the photo size. For that, we go to the crop tool and in the options at the top, set the width to 2 inches and the height also to 2 inches. And then cut the photo. Look, now the photo has been cut to size. Now you must have understood this much. So far we have learned how to create a file, set up the file, adjust light and color, and remove the background of the photo. Now we will insert this photo into the file we created earlier. First, we link the two layers, then press Ctrl+E, and now look, the two layers have become one. Now we open the previous layer and drag and insert the photo into this file. After doing this much, we will now put a margin so that the photo is not cut during printing. Now we copy the photo by pressing Ctrl+Alt and dragging the photo. And after doing this much, we again link these three photos into one and copy the photo by pressing Ctrl+Alt and dragging. Look, now the photo is completely ready for printout. Now we press Ctrl+P for a printout. In this way, you can create passport-sized photos at home. How did you like this video? Surely you must have liked it. To watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Your support will encourage us to make more videos like this. Saying this, we will come again with another video. Bye for today, and thank you for watching the video.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look